What's up, guys? Crypto Trader Mitch here, and Bitcoin Cash ended up being the obvious winner for the Coinbase ad. Um, a lot of people didn't think of the fact that they were supporting, or they ended up supporting the hard fork back in August. So anyone that held Bitcoin on Coinbase back in August was due Bitcoin Cash. So at some point, they needed to give people access to either cash that out, to either sell it or to, transfer to another exchange or whatever. So it made sense that Bitcoin Cash would get added to Coinbase at some point. Now, I think there's going to be other coins they still add. I'd be surprised if they don't add at least one more coin, if not two, over the coming weeks. And there's plenty of speculation on what those are going to be, whether it's, Ripple or Zcash or even Monero or any coin. Everyone's got a theory on what coin it could possibly be. Some have a better, argument than others, but Bitcoin Cash was kind of an obvious one, and I wish I actually would have taken advantage of it more. I just held the one coin that I have. I've been free rolling one Bitcoin Cash for eons, and I'm just gonna let it. I'm just gonna keep riding it. I didn't personally trade it. I was too just wrapped up in trading Neo and adding to EOS and Litecoin as well. So anyway, Bitcoin Cash added to Coinbase. Let's flip over to the chart. So you see, getting quite the rip. Um, it was up yesterday pretty good, and then obviously it's getting this crazy push now with the Coinbase news. You see it spiked as high as like 3,700, and now it's pulled back quite a bit. As of right now, it is 10:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Coinbase has listed it, but Bitcoin Cash is not active for trading yet. You can't buy or sell it as of this moment. I don't know when it's going to go live. I wish I did, but I expect there to be crazy volatility in Bitcoin Cash over the coming hours, and especially when it goes live, whether that's tonight or tomorrow. So it will be interesting. I am going to, like I said, just hold the one coin I have. While we're here, we might as well take a look at Bitcoin as well. So Bitcoin, I'm going to look at actually on Coinbase, which is funny because every other exchange doesn't have this spike. In fact, you know what? Let's look at a different exchange without that mess. Um, Bitfinex is a good one. So here you go. This is a little more realistic. We got a pullback over the last, 3 days, now four. I don't know why people are freaking out. This is not even a 20% pullback. And we came down to essentially the prior bottom, and then it bounced. There's nothing bearish about this. It's still way away from this uptrend, and it's still in this uptrend. So it's just a pullback. They happen, and I wouldn't freak out over it. If it pushes lower, then we're looking at possibly getting down to 14,600. And I'd actually be kind of excited about that because then it would push down towards this trend line, and I would probably buy if it got down here. So we'll see what happens. But as of right now, it's rebounding after pushing through 16K a little bit. So really nothing more than a standard pullback. It hasn't turned bearish. So we'll see how that plays out. Like I said, obviously next level on the downside is 14.6, 14.5. And obviously upside hasn't changed. It's still this high. It's still, basically breaching 20K. So that is the story with Bitcoin. And I will have some more charting info for you probably tomorrow. Have a good one.